Hello everyone, I want to show you how I do my lash extensions, but I am not a professional, so please take this with a huge grain of salt. I make sure my face is clean. I use a eye makeup remover and protein remover before I start. What you also need is going to be some lashes. So I use faux mink lashes from Ardell, they're my favorite. And I also use this false mascara. It comes in a kit with a little tweezer too. This Kiss long-lasting individual adhesive is super important, so let's get started. You're going to need a mirror. I also grab a giant compact which has a neat little light in it that's super convenient. So how I get started is I cut off the little extra ends on the inside and outside of the lash. I usually use a really tiny eyebrow scissors, but I can't find them, so I'm using big ones. I cut right in between the knots of the lash. You can see them at the base of the lash. And they kind of look like this when I'm done. I lay them out all in a row from inside to outside so I don't get lost along the way, and then I clean my eye. If you also just want to clean your face with soap and water, just make sure all your previous makeup is off and that it's super dry before you start. I grab super dull tweezers because I don't want to poke my eyes out with super sharp tweezers. And I grab the bond side of the false mascara. I make sure that I cover the bottom of my lashes only, and I make sure that I prepare my Eye Kiss Envy. My bottle's a little empty right now, but I hold my eyelash upside down and I want to put it as if it's sitting on top of the lash. So I put the glue on the top of the lash instead of the bottom, because I'm going to be applying them underneath my eye. As you can see, I slide it along the lash just a little bit to make sure that there's glue on there, and then I go ahead and place the lash. I wish that I could get up in the camera so you could see it a little closer, however, I'm not that skilled. I'm sorry about that. Then I use the tweezers that came with the false mascara kit, and I go ahead and press them together like a sandwich. I move on to my next lash that was in the line. Make sure I put the glue only on the very part that's going to touch my eyelash since I'm applying it underneath, and I go ahead and press that as well. So working from the inside to the outside, I go ahead and finish my whole eye. So this is what one eye finished looks like. Again, you can make it as dramatic or natural as you like. I'll go ahead and finish the other eye so you can see the difference. This is both of my eyes done, and I make sure that I give both of them a really good squeeze. It's still a little sticky because I haven't sealed it yet, but sometimes I use a lash curler to squeeze them together, and that works really well for me personally. To seal it, I use the seal side of the false mascara tube, and it can leave a little bit of a white residue, so I'm really gentle with it, but it does seal it in and keep it from being sticky. And that's it. These usually last me about 2 weeks, but I am careful with them, just like professional lash extensions. I hope that you enjoyed this video and have a great day.